is Maiduguri, the Borno State capital. Protests erupt just now, and security operatives are trying to disperse the crowd, and then the crowds are very, very aggressive. And you could hear gunshots on the air to see that the protests are at its worst. But this is very, very not good for us at all here. We're trying to get some space, safe space to stay. This is the update from Maiduguri.
This is how you can make money during this protest, or also boost your followers during this protest time. Take advantage of this time. Now, the first thing you have to do now is to go to your Play Store and download this Z recorder. To tap on this, you can see this icon here, this one here, this camera icon. Just tap on it. Good. Now it's going to show your face. You can see your face already. So when it starts to show your face, what you're going to do now, the next thing you're going to do is to go to the videos that I'm going to show you guys how to get. Now, how do you get those videos? On X, that is Twitter. That honestly, the best place to get the videos is on Twitter. So you can see all what is trending now. So let's say this 1st of August. Let's say 1st of August. For any protest, let's just search for a valid video. One thing that this government are doing is that they are trying as much as possible to make sure that this protest doesn't work out. I don't know. You can see for some reason I saw 𝗠𝗢𝗡𝗘 working, but now it's no longer working again. It's no longer on the top trends. I don't know for what reason. So they have their people that are pushing these trends, because the trends, there's a way you push them. I think just last week we pushed the trend up, so there's just a way you push them. So, and some reason I don't know why MTN network is just failing today. Don't know why. Let's go to this bomb. Just stumble across this one here, this video. So now I want to show you guys how to get this video, because Twitter you cannot download the videos on Twitter until you know how to do that. So let's say something like this. This is an old video. This is an old video. But anyways, guys, for some reason the government are fighting this protest of the thing, because I've not seen a lot of people going out yet, but people are just getting momentum, I guess. So let me just show you guys now exactly what I'm showing you guys to do. That's what you're going to do. So when you come to Twitter, now, what you have to do is to tap on this place here. Tap on this place here. You see, that is the link. So you tap on this and then you copy the link. You see this copy link here, copy link. So you copy the link, then you go to your and then tap on Twitter downloader. You can see that's what I even used to download. So you can see a lot of them, so you can use anyone. Let's just use the second one and see. I think that first one wasn't good. So here you're going to now put the link that you have pasted, and then tap on download. Understand? Tap on download after you put the link. So you are now going to choose the one you're going to download. You can just download anyone or HD. But let's try this second one for something good. So you can see that it's downloading up here. You can see it's downloading details. So it has downloaded. Let's open it and see. Good. So you can see it has downloaded. So you can use this one now. You can use it. Now let me show you guys how to use the locate where you have downloaded the video, and then this is what you're going to do. Now you can talk, or you can keep quiet and just watch people, and just watch the video as people too are watching you. So now let's play the video and keep quiet. I noticed that I did a reaction like this for the video, just to add more things there. But you can do whatever you want. You can keep quiet, you can make comments, you can even make comment before you start to watch the video. You can say, okay guys, look at what happened and this, and the protest has started, and then watch this video, and then you now put that video. You understand? So if you want to just get rid of this video, you can just tap on it and then tap on X, and it's going to go out. Make sure you always save your video when make sure you always save it. The next thing you're going to do is to go to the editing aspect. Now guys, if you're watching this video, I want to introduce you guys to a platform called 𝗠𝗢𝗡𝗘𝗬.com.ng. During this protest time, you know you're going to be indoors and you're going to need a lot of data to watch what's going on. Good. And also to do this video that I've just showed you guys now. So you need data and you have to save money because of the economy are cheap. So you can use 𝗠𝗢𝗡𝗘𝗬.com.ng to save money so you can get data. This is what people use to buy data for people. So you can also just get access to it, and then you can see you can get 1 gig for as low as 269, you understand? Good. And then just 2 gig for 560 and so 𝗠𝗢𝗡𝗘𝗬.com.ng, and then go to the website like this, register, and then if you want to download the app, you can just come here and see, you see this place I say download app, just tap on it and it's going to download the app to your phone automatically. Then you have the phone. That's for only Android users, please. To edit the video, go to Capcut. This Capcut here, you can download it on Play Store. Capcut, you can see this is the logo here. Let me go back again. This is the logo here. Capcut is very popular, but if you don't know it, download it on Play Store, please. I don't have time to go to Play Store download. Now you tap on new project. You can see new project is what you tap on. Now here's how you edit the videos. Let's go to the video that you carried your face and then you watched. So what you're going to do now is, you see here, this is a video now that I made at the beginning of this. So how you're going to edit is just to, because you have already made the video with your face, so you just it's very simple. You just make sure you draw it to the point where you want it to start. You can see here now, this is where we want it to start. So you tap on the video itself and then come down to these pleats down here. So you tap on it and it's going to cut the video into two. So you're not going to tap on that, the old one that it has cut, and then come down to delete here. Delete. You see, that's gone. So it's going to start afresh from this place where you have put it to start. So you get, so it's going to start afresh from there. Now to further even make this more interesting, you can record yourself again now explaining. You can record yourself and say, okay guys, this is what is happening now, this is really crazy, see what is happening in this country. You just make your own opinion, and so to draw the videos, you understand, to draw the video at least, not to make just short videos. Or you can now get other videos, like how I showed you how to get the video on Twitter. Go to Twitter and download, you get a lot of videos there, and then be cutting these videos just like how you have edited this one. So now let's say you've done this one, you can now pause here like in the ending and then say, yeah, this is what's happening in Maiduguri, see what is also happening in Enugu. So when you, let's say, get a video from Enugu, or just be creative about these things, guys. The whole purpose of this video is just to show you guys how you can leverage on the opportunity of the trend presently now, because the whole Nigeria rather is like almost everybody knows that there's a protest that is about to, you understand, begin, or has already even started. So you can just take advantage of that. People want to be watching information, people want to watching news, so take advantage of the traffic and then make videos like that to boost your followers. And yeah, so that's just the point. So you can finish everything. And now, because of copyright sometimes, because this guy now is I think he's a media person like that, so I think he works for TVC News or so. So now for you can kind of bypass copyright again furtherly by coming, because this is original voice, so you can come here you can tap on it and then come down to here, scroll to audio effects. When you come to audio effects, I'm going to wait for it to load. So you can now come here to let's say deep. Further tap on it again to edit it. So you can now reduce the timbre. Okay, so now you can now reduce the timbre. Let's say reduce it like this. So reduce the pitch. Let's see.
This is 𝗠𝗢𝗡𝗘𝗬. Protest erupts just now, and 𝗠𝗢𝗡𝗬𝗬 are trying to dispute.
So now it has already taken away the original voice like that, you get. So at least just to further bypass copyright in case they are posting this particular video on their own main channel like that. So if you're done, you just tap on export. You understand? just tap on export, and it's going to start exporting. And then you now have your video. I don't want to export it, I've exported it, quit. You now have your video that you can use to upload. So I hope you've gotten value from this video, guys. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, share with other people. You can use this and then post it on your Facebook, because Facebook has started monetizing channels now, so you can post it on Facebook. You can just be creative about these things. And yeah, peace.